Tigg NAS-IT Expo 2025. What an incredible 2 days it's been. On November 7th and 8th, Nepal's tech scene came alive with innovation, creativity, and pure passion. From startups to big companies, developers to dreamers, everyone brought their best ideas forward, proving that Nepal's digital future is brighter than ever.
We truly believe that Nepal has what it takes to create world-class technology built by our people from our need and that can cater to the world.
At the Tigg booth, we had amazing conversation, live demos, and endless excitement.
Thank you NAS-IT for providing this opportunity to us, Tigg Developer API.
A huge thank you to everyone who stopped by, shared their thoughts, and took the time to connect with us. Together, we are not just witnessing Nepal's tech growth, we are building it. Until next time, keep innovating, keep dreaming, and remember, with Tigg, everything just add up.
ठिक छ सब ठिक छ